hard it is when, you know, your go-to players are missing in action. Talking about the two cherries, Cherry Rondina, Cherry Nunag.
But you can't look for them right now.
Yeah, yep.
They have other duties for the time being. Here's Ponce with the set. The dip. Syed will track it down. Salas gets it to back. And the
Advantage in the front row.
I really predict that this volleyball net will increase several inches. 8-4 lahat ang score natin. Remy Palma, Ponce. Hello, Paki, and it's contained by Pablo. The runner by Sickle. It's returned to center.
Already see Brooke Van Sickle trying to adjust to that.
Yeah, plus may hesitation
Yep.
on the approach. In the context where
Oh, yes.
it doesn't really matter 4 or 5 sets. It's a battle royale here. Paki. Oh, Salas says, haha, gotcha. In the meantime, the middle Van Sickle. It is not handled.
Advantage as well. But maybe, you know, CC is the solution there because,
Yeah.
you know, yung sabi nga namin, pag-apak pa lang ni CC sa floor, alam mo, champion na eh.
Diba? Energized na kaagad
Yes.
yung team mo eh. Good point. Paki dropped it, and it's just perfectly done. They enjoy their game. Look at this. She will get... Will we see it here? Let's see direct. Ang ganda ng roll na yun. This one. I love it. You've been playing this all your life, you know?
Yes.
The enchuchachum. Very important. Salas.
Ooh.
Regalo! Carla Pablo pouncing on that one.
Sharing the same number of output with Brooke so far. Sakto yung ikot nila. Like right now, Milo Pablo's in front while Brooke is...
Para sa bayan. Ito po. Patuloy po ang ating opening set. 16-15 ang ating bilang. At tabla na naman tayo.
Choosing to give that running set to Madi Madaya, getting a one-on-one at the net.